in the province of Davao de Oro. A first termer and a new name in public office in the province history. But being new does not equate to achieving less. In my nearly 10 months serving as the local chief executive, it is with great honor that Muslim Awards was able to see how my leadership has transformed communities that deserves recognition. On my first day in office, I made it clear that my term will bring the real kalambuan or development to my constituents. A series of collective growth achieved through infrastructure projects to fortify government to people accessibility to service, strengthen social protection initiative to ensure every individual is given fair opportunity, boost disaster preparedness and resilience to address the threats of calamities and emergencies, bolster healthcare program through establishing more government